Good day, learners. I'm Teacher Ann and I will be your mathematics teacher for today. We are now on week 8 and we will learn about applies triangle congruence to construct perpendicular line and angle bisector. This activity will help you learn and be familiarized on the following. Letter A. Use triangle congruence to prove angle bisector. Letter B. Applies triangle congruence to construct angle bisector. And letter C. Recognize the importance of angle bisector. Triangle congruence postulate can be used to construct angle bisector of a triangle. The postulates and theorems are the following: SSS congruence postulate, SAS congruence postulate, and ASA congruence postulate. Now let's see what you already know about our topic. Let's try to answer this. Tell whether the given statements are fact or bluff. Number 1, if segment BE is perpendicular to segment AD at D, then they form right angles. Is it a fact or a bluff? An angle formed by two perpendicular lines is acute. Is it a fact or a bluff? Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect to form right angles. Is it a fact or a bluff? If two angles are right, then they are congruent. Is it a fact or a bluff? 5. Two adjacent triangles have common side. Is it a fact or a bluff? We will learn how to bisect an angle using a compass. Open your compass to any radius and construct arc intersecting the two sides of angle B. Number 2. Use the point where the arc and the side of the angle intersect as the radius to make another two arc. Draw the line from the vertex B to the point of intersection of the arc. Supply the missing term to complete the given proof. We have given segment EO bisects angle TEM and angle TOM. So you need to prove segment EO bisects angle TRM. So we have here the figure. So let's analyze. So we have EO bisects angle TEM and angle TOM. So let's now have our statements. So we have number 1, EO bisects angle TEM and angle TOM. So that is given. We have angle TER is congruent to angle MER. So TEM is bisected. So we have now formed two angles TER, and MER. And we have another two angles formed. We have angle TOR and angle MOR. So by the reason of definition of angle bisector, we have now segment EO is congruent to segment EO by the reflexive property of congruence. And then we have formed another triangle. So we have now our ASA. We have formed an angle, the side, and another angle. So we have angle, side, angle. So we have triangle TEO is congruent to triangle MEO. So by ASA congruence postulate. Now we have PE is congruent to ME by CP or corresponding points of congruent triangles are congruent. And then we have formed another side. We have ER is congruent to ER, both used by two triangles. So we have now the reflexive property of congruence. Next we have triangle TER. TER is congruent to triangle MER by SAS congruence postulate, because the side TM, the angle TER, and another side TR. SAS congruence postulate. Number 8, we have angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So we have proven now that EO bisects angle TRM by the definition of angle bisector. An angle bisector is a line that splits an angle into two equal angles. Let's have the application. Read the problem carefully and answer the questions that follows. An electric post will be erected on the street side as replacement of the old one which was destroyed by Typhoon Lawin. To ensure that the post is well stable, two congruent wires will be attached side to side from the tip of the post to the ground. Letter A. What should be the illustration of the post and the wires to ensure stability? Letter B. Name the vertices of the figure formed. What are the triangles? What two triangles are congruent? Letter C. How will the people know whether the post is straightly set up? So for the solution, we have here our figure. We have formed a triangle ABC with the angle bisector AD. Letter B. We have triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD, and the vertices are A, B, and C. Number 3. If the angles formed by one wire and the post is congruent to the angle formed by another wire and the post, then the post is straightly erected. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Bye!